Hey everyone, what's going to happen to all of us still holding on to Windows 10 after October 2025? Microsoft is ending support this year, which means your Windows 10 computer may be left behind in terms of performance and protection. So when issues pop up, Microsoft's not going to be there to help. If a security flaw is found, it stays broken. So in this video, I'm going to break down some of the big issues you could run into and what Microsoft is doing to fix it. So let's dive in. First of all, your system security risks will explode. When updates end, system protection is reduced. Outdated systems such as Windows 10 may be more vulnerable to security breaches. And even reputable antivirus softwares may not address all the vulnerabilities in a system that is no longer updated. Online banking will get extremely risky really fast. Out-of-date systems make easy targets for phishing, data theft, and password stealing. Using Windows 10 for banking or shopping online after 2025 is asking for trouble. Even secured websites can't protect your data if your system is wide open. The weakest link in this scenario is your device. Hackers know exactly how to find those gaps and exploit them. You may even get an alert from your bank warning you and other customers about outdated systems on their platforms. Another problem will be app developers will leave that operating system behind. Application and gaming creators will move on quickly and will prioritize actively supported systems. This can lead to bugs, crashes, or total incompatibility. You might not even be able to install updates or access new versions of the game or application. Business software, school applications, even tools like photo editors and streaming apps could gradually become unreliable. So fixing problems will get harder. Right now, if something breaks in Windows 10, you can get help pretty fast. After 2025, however, Microsoft support agents will stop assisting with Windows 10, and technology service providers might actually decline support or charge additional fees for working with an unsupported operating system. As a result, users may need to resolve issues independently or seek out solutions from a risky third-party forum or unofficial sources. There also could be some reduction in available YouTube tutorials like this one as interest in Windows 10 decreases. Also, don't count on your warranty for help. Device makers often base their warranties and service agreements on supported software. If you run Windows 10 past 2025, your coverage may not apply, and even extended warranties may have limits. Some older computers are going to be left out of the upgrade. Not every device running Windows 10 is eligible for an upgrade. If your PC lacks a certain hardware, such as a supported processor or a TPM chip, it won't qualify for Windows 11. That means you're stuck unless you buy a new device. Additionally, browsers won't wait around. Web browsers like Chrome, Edge, and Firefox will eventually stop supporting Windows 10 altogether. When that happens, you'll be stuck with older versions of those browsers full of bugs and security gaps. You won't get new features, better speed, or protection against unsafe sites. The internet itself will become harder to use and less secure. Slowdowns, login errors, or blocked pages could become common. Modern websites expect up-to-date browsers on their platforms. Staying on Windows 10 could put your cloud storage at risk. Popular cloud tools like OneDrive and Google Drive rely on system integration. Over time, these services may drop features or stop synchronizing with Windows 10 completely. That means your files might stop updating or even become inaccessible. Sync issues cause version errors, missing documents, or upload failures. If you count on cloud storage for your work or backup, this could cause real damage to your file systems. So here's the good news. Microsoft has a low-cost option. So even though Microsoft will end standard updates and support, eligible consumers can receive one additional year of security updates through October 13th, 2026 by enrolling in the Microsoft Extended Security Updates program. And this program is available for consumers running the Windows 10 Home Edition for the purchase price of $30 for 1 year. This program only ensures that your Windows 10 computer is receiving critical updates. So it does not include things like new features, design changes, or general technical support. I provided the link to the official Microsoft ESU program in the video description below. So I hope you found value in today's video. If you did, I appreciate you hitting the like button and let me know in the comments below whether you're going to stay with Windows 10 or plan to upgrade on Windows 11. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.